I just spent 5 of the most amazing days of my life installing a work, doing a residency at the Corning Museum of Glass, working with the same forms throughout, and that's been amazing.
This is the 5th time that we've invited an artist to create a work of art that is responsive to the Rockwell's collection, our space, and our community. It asks our visitors to think differently about their museum experience. A lot of people are surprised to find something so contemporary when they first enter the museum. With each project that we've undertaken, the artist has approached the space differently. Shasti's work this year is really going to a different level entirely. It has a whimsy to it, it has exuberance and joy. And I had the opportunity a couple of years ago to visit Shasti in her studio. She had just completed a major sculptural commission. The work that she created very much illustrates taking a major idea and interrogating it, bringing it to the community in a way that is colorful and lively, allows people to approach it.
What I really like and enjoy doing is to think and talk about things that are serious, that have gravity, but in ways that are inviting. Starting off silly, reminding ourselves we can laugh, even about serious things, and then engaging us in conversations that are difficult to have. When they invited me to do the anti-gravity, I was gobsmacked. I'm a huge fan of this museum. I love the architecture of the space. And so everything just came together.
This installation, which is called Space Invaders, it's about the surveillance society that we live in, how we're on our phone being watched, on our computers, on the street. Even in the Rockwell Museum, you are being watched.
I've been thinking a lot about the hegemony of technology. Technology has enabled a level of scrutiny, a level of self-surveillance.
It also speaks to how visitors engage with art in a museum. We spend our time in museums looking. Well, in this case, the artwork is looking back at you, and in a somewhat aggressive way, but also in a kind of fun and silly way.
Silly is great. Silly is really useful. Maybe a slightly subversive way of having an important conversation.
Through this experience, they get the opportunity to work with the Corning Museum of Glass. It's always exciting to see what that collaboration yields.
It's literally a material that is the polar opposite of what I work with. And to bring those two things together, I know how much I love a challenge. I can take something and go, okay, so what can this do? And they're doing the same thing and we're doing it together. And it's just been amazingly fruitful and incredibly fun. What we discovered was we can blow into these cages that I've made and then snip off the cages to create new art forms. Holy moly! I was like percolating with ideas and I just wanted to try anything and everything. What glass is and what it can do is mind-blowing to me. I've been so deeply affected by what I've been doing here, by what I've been invited to do. This has been an education in how point A to point B can be a journey that meanders and turns and twists.
Anti-Gravity is an ongoing and iterative project at the Rockwell Museum, and each year we're bringing a new perspective and a new idea to the space that's completely different than what's been there before.